Okay, I'm trying this new lipstick that a friend of mine gave me. First చూసినప్పుడు భయపడ్డాను. Supposed to be a lip stain, but ready? Ta-da! 2 minutes wait చేయాలంట.